I think it will be able to do anything that any human can do, um, possibly within the next year or two.
In this video, Elon Musk articulates his viewpoints on the future of artificial intelligence, energy sustainability, and the challenges facing humanity. He explores the potential of AI and underscores the importance of population management, thereby offering a thought-provoking analysis of future developments. As far as the best in technology and innovation is concerned, one name comes to mind: Elon Musk. He is not just a broad-minded person, he is a go-getter as well. He has the unique capability to transform complex concepts into much more easily digestible concepts, making audiences lean in to listen intently when he addresses a room. His presence adds a dynamic aspect to conversations about artificial intelligence, energy, and the future of humanity. AI is evolving faster than most can grasp. In just a few years, we could see AI reaching capabilities that rival billions of humans.
There will come a point where no job is needed. You can have a job if you want to have a job for sort of personal satisfaction, but the AI will be able to do everything.
The implications are enormous. AI has incredible potential. It can solve problems we thought were impossible. But there's a flip side. Musk highlights a 20% chance that things could go wrong. That's not a small number. It's a reminder that we must tread carefully. We need to ensure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. So what's Musk's concerns? One of Musk's biggest concerns is the global population collapse. Birth rates are plummeting in many countries. If this trend continues, we're looking at a future where there might not be enough people to sustain society. Musk believes that we need to view declining birth rates as a critical issue. If we don't create new humans, we risk losing humanity itself. Is birth rate important? Well, the statistics are alarming. Countries such as South Korea may experience a significant reduction in their populations, with projections indicating a shrinkage to a fraction of their current size. Europe is faced with a comparable situation. Musk underscores the necessity of addressing this issue directly. Encouraging families to have children is imperative, as it pertains not merely to demographic figures, but to the future of our species.
If the birth rate doesn't decline further, South Korea will lose roughly 60% of its population. But every year, that birth rate is dropping. And this is true through most of the world. I don't mean to single out South Korea. It's been happening throughout the world.
Creating AI that seeks the truth is crucial. Musk argues that many current AI models are biased. They're trained to be politically correct, which can lead to misinformation. The goal should be to develop AI that is honest and transparent. We need AI that genuinely cares about humanity. That's why Musk founded xAI, to create an AI that aligns with these values. As AI continues to grow, so does its appetite for energy. Musk is clear: we're going to need a lot of power. Our current energy infrastructure won't cut it. The future relies heavily on solar energy. The sun is our most abundant resource, and Musk believes we're just scratching the surface of what we can harness. Every country will require its own AI clusters, not merely as a luxury, but as a necessity. Elon Musk draws parallels between AI clusters and fundamental infrastructures such as power grids or airports, emphasizing their significance for national advancement. The establishment of these clusters presents considerable challenges, demanding substantial resources and specialized expertise. However, as artificial intelligence becomes increasingly integral to our daily lives, the presence of such infrastructures will become as commonplace as electricity. It is imperative that we prepare for this future. Humanoid robots are not just a dream anymore. They're on the verge of becoming a reality. By 2040, we could see more humanoid robots than people on Earth. Imagine that. 10 billion humanoid robots ready to assist us in our daily lives. Elon Musk has been vocal about his expectations for these robots. He believes they will be capable of doing almost anything.
Well, Optimus is intended to be a sort of a fully functional humanoid robot. And it'll be capable of doing a wide range of tasks. So basically, you can just ask it to walk your dog, take care of your house, babysit the kids, teach the kids, cook dinner, play the piano. You know, it's a generalized humanoid robot. I think everyone will want one, because why not? I think there'll be at least one for every person, and then a whole bunch more in industry making things.
The price point is also a game changer. We're looking at robots priced around $20,000 to $25,000. That's affordable for many households. This shift could change how we live and work. If you're concerned about your financial security and are thinking about investing, check out the first link in the description. It's the platform I use, Interactive Brokers. Click the link to learn more. As these robots become commonplace, they'll help tackle issues like labor shortages due to declining populations. They can enhance productivity and even take on dangerous jobs that humans would rather avoid. The future of work will look very different with humanoid robots by our side. The concept of abundance is becoming more tangible. With advancements in technology, particularly AI and robotics, we're heading towards a future where everyone can access what they need. Musk envisions a world where the marginal cost of goods and services is extremely low. So, how is Starship contributing to the human journey to Mars? Starship is not just a spacecraft, it's a symbol of human ambition. Elon Musk believes we'll see uncrewed missions to Mars in a little over 2 years. That's just the beginning. If all goes well, crewed missions could follow shortly after. The dream of colonizing Mars is closer than ever. This journey is about more than just exploration. It's about ensuring the survival of humanity. Establishing a presence on another planet could be our insurance policy against potential disasters on Earth. What are the challenges to Elon Musk's innovation? Regulatory challenges are a significant concern for Elon Musk. He's been vocal about the need for a streamlined process. Overregulation can stifle innovation and slow down critical projects. In order to progress effectively, it is imperative to reevaluate the structure of regulations. Such regulations should promote innovation rather than obstruct it. Elon Musk asserts that failure to address these challenges may result in the forfeiture of significant opportunities. The advancement of space travel and technology is contingent upon this critical reassessment. Countries must adapt to the fast-paced nature of technological advancements. If regulations can't keep up, we'll fall behind. Collaboration between governments and innovators is essential to create an environment where progress can thrive. The rollout of Cybercab is set to revolutionize transportation. Musk predicts that full self-driving capabilities will be operational in the US soon. This isn't just a futuristic concept, it's happening now. Tesla aims to exceed human safety levels by next year. Imagine ordering a Cybercab with just a tap on your phone. No drivers, no waiting, just seamless travel. This technology could save lives and reduce traffic accidents significantly. With millions of autonomous vehicles on the road, we could transform urban environments. Traffic congestion could become a thing of the past. We're looking at a future where transportation is efficient, safe, and accessible to everyone. What's the future of Tesla? Tesla is not just about cars anymore. With Optimus, the humanoid robot, the company is set to expand its horizons. The first limited production is expected next year, with full-scale production ramping up shortly after. This could be Tesla's biggest product yet. Optimus has the potential to change how we live and work. Imagine robots that can take care of household chores, assist in factories, or even provide companionship. The possibilities are endless. Musk believes that as we embrace this technology, we'll see a significant change in our daily lives. As Tesla grows, so does its vision for the future. The company is not just making cars, it's building a future where technology enhances our lives. This journey is just beginning, and the potential is enormous. As we move towards a future of abundance, the question arises, what will our economic structure look like? Musk suggests we may be heading towards a post-capitalist society. This doesn't mean the end of capitalism, but a transformation of it. In this future, the focus shifts from survival to access. Universal high income could replace the traditional notion of universal basic income. Everyone would have access to goods and services without the constant stress of financial constraints. This transition has the potential to foster a more creative and innovative society. By addressing fundamental needs, individuals will be empowered to concentrate on personal development, exploration, and community engagement. This vision is both inspiring and thought-provoking, prompting a reevaluation of our current concepts of economy and value. For those seeking to take control of their financial future, platforms like Interactive Brokers can provide access to a wide range of investment opportunities, allowing individuals to participate in the market and potentially build wealth over time. Click the first link in the description to learn more. Like, share, and subscribe.